Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how to create and manage an Amazon wish list. So first, click the guy icon right here and go into your lists, click on see all. Now click the plus button and name it whatever you would like to. I'm gonna name it wish list, then create list. And now click on the three dots here. Here click manage list. And now we can change it to public. We can manage list with Alexa. This list is for you. And there is everything you can change to your own preference. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.